Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to block ads on minigames Calm and Relax application. To block or reduce ads in the minigames Calm and Relax, first of all open up your application on the device and then go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the ads button. Now, you will be able to see the app offers in-app purchases to eliminate ads. To remove ads for 3 days, tap on the first option. For 7 days, tap on the second option. If you want to remove ads forever, then you'll need to tap in the third option that says No Ads Lifetime. Select one of the purchase plans and follow through the on-screen prompts and you'll need to spend your money in order to purchase free ads in the game. If you don't want to purchase and you'd like to remove the ads, then you can just go ahead and enable the airplane mode on your device. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and then click on the airplane icon. Once you enable the airplane mode, you can get back to the game and you may be able to eliminate the ads on the game. The most reliable way to remove ads is through the app's in-app purchase options. Playing offline can also help reduce ad interruptions, while it will not be able to block the ads completely. So that is how you can do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.